we?
Somewhere in Illinois, camping.
Tiskilwa. Tiskilwa. We are at first ever Charlotte Mason camp.
Super fun.
I've been homeschooling for how many years? 5 years? 6 years? My oldest one is going to 5th grade, so 5 full years. And been using Charlotte Mason method for all these years.
Kids love it. They read a lot of books. Super smart. Smarter than me. Are you smarter than a 5th grader? That's a big question.
For more information about Charlotte Mason, I'm going to include a link below with some resources. And if you guys have any questions, please leave us some comments. Mitchie, there's all these mosquitoes and rain. Yeah, today was not a very good weather day. It's been raining a lot.
So tent camping is extra interesting. Gotta try to keep the water out, but it's still fun. That's what nature is all about. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it's sunny. Just gotta live with it and enjoy it.
Yeah, we were supposed to take our camper, our travel trailer, and we sold it like a week ago. Just roughing it. We're in a tent, and it's not bad. The cicadas are pretty loud. I think this time around I'm gonna have earplugs in.
But tell you what, it doesn't stop the kids. They're having so much fun. They probably have more fun camping and running and being wet and muddy than we would stay in some fancy hotel. So you don't have to do anything fancy. Just go with it. Whatever happens, just go with it.
You know, it's so quiet here in the morning. I'm lying. It's really loud. The birds and the insects are just deafening. Like in the morning, you wake up because there's a bird right above you and she's singing so loud. You would think the nature's really, really quiet. No, it's loud. In the woods, I haven't been in the woods in a while. Just sleeping and camping. This is very different. Can you hear it? As you can tell, I just took a shower. The shower's right in the back here of our campsite. They're a little primitive and a little rough. Bunch of bugs inside, but the water's warm. What else do you need, right? I don't think it's been really hard sleeping in a tent. Our blow-on mattress keeps deflating, and all the kids slept with me last night. So, I've been tossing and turning and having all kinds of weird dreams. I don't know why I dream so colorful and weird when I'm sleeping in the nature. It's really foggy this morning. It's so beautiful. All the birds. Just amazing. The boys went fishing with Ellis. I think I can hear him screaming. I'm not sure if it's down. There's so many boys here. I think I'm gonna wake up Daria and go for breakfast. Wake up, baby. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Here are some tips for camping with kids. Number 1, bring extra clothes. Kids always get dirty and get wet. So pack at least one extra warm and cold weather outfit for them. Number 2, bring anti-sting, some kind of solution. There are wasps and mosquitoes out here. In addition to your mosquito spray, you need to bring something that can help with if they get stung. Number 3, bring a first aid kit. There's scrapes and bruises everywhere. Please do it. Number 4, bring a POTTY inside the tent. if you have little kids, it's nice not to have to go outside the tent. Number 5, bring 2 mattresses. We brought one. My poor husband has to sleep on the floor. I did not laugh.
But not the cart.
Good morning, campers. So, I can't see Daria. It's really crazy to walk by sight. Yeah, she had mercy on me.
Hike through a riverbed. It hasn't rained here in a while, so we're not walking in water, we're walking on the sand and pebbles. Wearing flip-flops when you're going on a hike, it's not a very good idea. Make sure you have hiking boots when you go in the woods, or tall rain boots.
can go for a dunk.
It's a beautiful day on the water. Sun is shining my eyes.
You're now going to be able to catch
and we have 3 kids with us.
Benjamin, put your paddle inside the boat.
Guess our boys are trying to fall in.
Hold on the side.
It's raining most of the day. Oh man, there he is. He's in the water.